Welcome to DJH Prestige Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Focus. It's the limited edition, black red as you can see. Absolutely lovely these are. A car that stands out. Gloss black alloy wheels. Got the full sports body styling kit. Privacy glass to the rear. Nice red rear diffuser. Red roof, red wing mirrors. Really nice car. Look at it gleaming in this weather. It's based on the S line. You've got the rear parcel shelf, boot areas in lovely condition. The S line interior with the red stitch piping. Carpet mats, look at that, all goes really well with the car, all complements it. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Done 134 miles. Starts up lovely, does not look or drive like the mileage, sounds fantastic. 6-speed gearbox. Got your little cup holders here. Multifunction steering wheel. Full media pack on there. Satellite navigation, it's a big option on these. Home screen. The radio on. DAB. Bluetooth connectivity. USB. Really is lovely. At DJH we offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.